I ran a custom mouthguard lab, and honestly, these scare me a little. A lot of over the counter night guards are thick, uneven, and designed as a one size fits all solution. But your bite is not one size fits all. If a guard causes your teeth to hit unevenly, your jaw can spend the entire night trying to compensate for it. That can lead to jaw soreness, tension, headaches, and a guard that never feels quite right. And the crazy part is, a lot of people assume that that's completely normal. A properly made custom night guard is built around your actual teeth and bite relationship. Not a guess, not a generic tray, not something you boil in your kitchen. Because when something is sitting between your teeth for 7 or 8 hours every single night, the fit actually matters a lot.